Engine air filter and cabin filter. Cars have two distinct air filters: an engine air filter protects the engine, and a cabin air filter cleans air for passengers. The engine filter is typically under the hood and affects performance fuel economy, while the cabin filter is usually behind the glove box and affects air quality inside. Both are essential for vehicle maintenance. Engine air filter keeps dust, dirt, and insects from entering the engine intake. A clogged filter reduces engine performance, causes rough idling, and lowers fuel efficiency. Cabin air filter cleans the air entering the vehicle's cabin through the heating JC system, trapping dust, pollen, and debris. A dirty filter causes poor HVAC performance and reduced airflow.